Now, why do people say they can't draw? I can make anybody an artist in 5 minutes. I can have you drawing little cartoon characters like this in no time. Let's go over there and check it out. All right, let's start off with our first little character. Let's start off with, I'm going to draw little 66s for the eyes. All right, then what we'll do is a little round part for the nose. Just a simple smile underneath. A little backward C for the ear. Under the nose, just a simple line. Behind the ear, simple line. Circle for a shirt. And then we can give him spiky hair. All right. So that's one character that you could draw, and you could draw him facing anyway. All right, let's look at another version. All right, here we could start off again. 66 for the eyes. We could draw a pointy nose this time. We could still do the same smile. This time, curve it in just a little bit more. And then let's give almost a little curly hair look. Then create two triangles. Finish the curl out. A little back part of the neck. Then you've got a different character. You clearly have a female here. All right, or you could do a V-neck there, however you want to do that. Now you can continue to create different characters. So let's change some of this up a little bit, and let's go with a different set of eyes this time. So let's go with a circle and then another half circle. All right, we'll put two dots this time. And the nose, maybe make the nose come out just a little bit more. Same little backward C for the ear. And here, we can give it any kind of little haircut shape you want. Same smile. Same little chin and jaw. Back of the neck. Again, just a round part for the shirt. All right, so there you have a different character. Let's look at another one. This time let's go circle, dot, circle, dot. Let's connect that because this one has glasses. A little C for the ear again. Draw a line connecting. Now let's say maybe this guy's bald. Another smile. Chin. Back of the neck. And then with this circle, we can create two angles. We can give him a tie. All right, so again, another character you have. If you want to add the line for the eyebrows, perfect, no problem. So what we're showing is you can have multiple different characters making different expressions. Let's switch it up just a bit. And let's say we'll go circle, big circle. We'll color that in just a little bit more. Again, similar nose. We could switch that up if we want to. This time more of a shocked expression. Maybe we color that in. Ear. And get that little part. All right, so again, we can switch that up. So these are multiple characters that you can draw that Graham talks about in his TED Talk that are easy for anybody to pull off and say, yes, now that you can draw, you've got multiple things that you can do. We'll try one more. Let's change up. Let's go back to glasses. Put that together. And this time, you can even add a little nostril there if you want to. It's a little less cartoony, but you can do that here. And then straight face. Maybe he's not too excited. Ear. Connect it there. Maybe forehead comes up a bit, then back, then down. Because again, if you want to start changing these features, you have to realize you're going to change a little bit of what you're doing. All right, so we want to keep it more of a cartoon and less of us trying to add real human-like features in here. All right, so we got there. So you can color that in however you'd like. That's kind of messy. All right, so once you have that, all right, so you have a different expression. And again, draw a shirt however you want to. All right. All different kinds of ways, as you've seen from the different videos I had where, you know, your nose can be pointy. You can have more of a rounded nose. You can have more of a distinguished nose. Nose can just pop up with nostrils. However you want to do this, all the different, you know, shorts that I have out there show you different types of nose, eyes, ears, all this to make. But this is really one style that is easy to do right now. As soon as you're done with this video, you should be able to draw a little comic strip with these people. All right, it's what's great about what Graham Shaw did. So, hope you enjoyed that. More to come. So, why do all these guys face the same way? Well, if we want to switch that up just a little bit, we can go there, there, parallel ear there. So your people can actually look going the other way too. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments if you were able to conquer this in the first try. And if not, let me know. We'll make some more just to kind of give you more ideas to work with. All right. Thanks for watching.